Hello everyone and welcome to my Story Club show. Dear friends, since last many days we are arranging a Story Club show every day. And I have told you many times the purpose behind arranging Story Club show is to make my students to speak English fluently, to make them able to speak English confidently. The purpose is to make them to speak English effortlessly. The purpose behind Story Club show is to make students able to speak English easily or to speak English fluently, to speak English fearlessly. That is the purpose of our Story Club show. And we want to teach good things to students via Story Club show. Every day we are here with a story, the story which will teach students some moral thing, or the story which will give us a message. That message will be useful for us to live our life holy, or that message will be useful for us to live our life happily. The message which we are giving through our stories will make our students' attitude positive, or the stories which will give us message which will make our mindset strong, or which will make us to face the difficulties in life fearlessly. The stories will teach us how to face the difficulties in life. And my dear friends, the title of today's story is Fence. You know what is meant by fence? If we have a farm and then around the farm, the farmer makes a fence to protect his farm from animals, to protect the farm from other people's. That due to fence, nobody should be able to enter into the farm. And some farms are made of iron, and some farms are made of thorns. But here the fence was made of iron. There was a young boy, and the nature of that boy was very different. The boy was short tempered. Means, what is meant by short tempered? The boy used to get angry upon anybody very, what we can say, instantly. Means he was short tempered. The person who gets angry quickly is called short tempered person. The person who loses his temper is known as short tempered or angry man. The person who cannot control his anger is called short tempered or loose tempered person. There was a boy, and the boy was a short tempered. Then one day his father advised him that he should learn to control his anger, because when we are angry we say wrong things to others, or we use the words which hurt other people, and because of our wrong words people are hurted, they become disappointed, they become unhappy, they become sad. And the boy was not able to control his anger, and he used bad words when he was angry, and that's why people used to get wounded. Then his father called the boy one day, and he gave a bag of nails, and he told the boy that he has to hammer the nails into the fence to control his anger. Then first day the boy went near the fence and he was hammering nails into the fence. So first day he hammered 37 nails in the fence. Then second day he hammered less nails. Then the third day he hammered less nails. And one day, after some weeks, he understood that the work of hammering nails into fence is difficult than controlling his anger. Means one day he learned to control his anger, and then he went to his father and he told his father, "Dear father, now I have learned to control my anger. Now I am not using wrong words to anybody. I am using polite words with others. That's why now I have learned, because the work of hammering nails into the fence is difficult than controlling anger." Then his father said to his son, "My dear son, okay, now you come with me, and every day you take out one nail from the fence. And when you will finish your work of taking out nails, after that you come to me and tell me." The son said, "Okay, father, I will do this work." Now the son was taking out one nail every day from the fence, and it took some days. Father had told him, "We have to see whether you can hold your short temper or not. And every day when you will take out the nail, you have to remind yourself that you have to control your anger." And one day all the nails were finished up. He had took out all the nails and he had learned to control his short-tempered nature. Now he was not getting angry upon anybody. Then he went to his father and he said to his father, "Dear father, now I have took out all the nails from the fence, and now I have learned to control my anger also." Then father took his hand and father took that boy to the fence, and he showed the fence. Father said to son, "Now you look at the fence. There were many holes in the fence due to hammering and taking out nails. There were many holes in the fence." And father said to son, "Dear son, look. Now the fence is not like as it was earlier, and you cannot make this fence like earlier." And he said, "It is like as if putting a knife into somebody's stomach and taking out." Father said to son, "You use wrong words to people, then they get hurted, or they get wounded due to your words, and then you say sorry to them, or you apologize to them, but the wound which is in their heart cannot be cured by saying sorry." Means father wanted to tell his son, "Dear son, we should speak, but before speaking we should think. If we say wrong words and after that we are regretting for those words, we are abusing somebody and we are giving hurt to someone, and then we are saying sorry to that person, then what will happen? It will happen like the fence. Earlier the fence was very nice, very good, but now there were holes in the fence. In the same way, if you will use wrong words to some person, then there will be holes in his heart, and we cannot make his heart like earlier by saying sorry. So, what we have to learn from this story? We have to learn from this story that we have to use proper language when we are speaking with somebody. We have to use polite words when we are speaking with somebody. And we have to learn to control our anger. Anger is very bad. Anger is the main thing. Anger is the main of many problems. Anger is the main of many difficulties. That's why from this story we have to learn to control our anger. We have to learn to use humble words when we are speaking with others. That's it. Dear friends, if you like this video, please like it, share it, comment on it, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe it. That's all. Thanks a lot.